Your insurance premium can go up for one simple reason. Your safer car is dramatically more expensive to repair. Not because you became a worse driver, but because a minor bump that used to be a cheap body repair can now damage sensors and cameras. And then the car needs recalibration with special equipment. So let's start with the clearest example, the front radar sensor, because it turns small accidents into huge claims fast. The radar sensor story illustrates the problem very clearly and directly. A forward collision warning system paired with automatic emergency braking needs a radar unit that can detect vehicles, pedestrians, and obstacles directly ahead. That radar unit is positioned behind the front bumper fascia, aimed forward with precise angular calibration tolerances, because that location gives it the clearest and most unobstructed forward detection field. That same location, the front bumper area, is one of the most frequently impacted zones on any vehicle in normal urban parking and low-speed traffic conditions. A parking lot nudge or a slow-speed contact in stop-and-go traffic that would previously have resulted in a scuffed bumper cover and perhaps a few $100s of labor and plastic replacement parts now involves a potentially damaged, displaced, or calibration invalidated radar unit.
The replacement cost for a forward radar module on a current generation vehicle ranges from approximately $800 on more affordable platforms to well over $2,000 on premium vehicles. That module replacement alone does not complete the repair. After any replacement or physical disturbance of the unit, the radar must be recalibrated to the precise angular tolerances specified by the manufacturer using equipment that requires a flat and level surface, a calibration target positioned at specific distances and heights relative to the
vehicle, and software access that in many cases is only fully available to authorized dealer workshops. A parking nudge that used to cost $200 now generates a repair invoice above $2,000 on a current vehicle. That cost lands on the insurer through the claim, and the insurer prices the risk of future claims for that vehicle category accordingly. Camera systems create parallel and compounding cost implications. A modern vehicle with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems will have a front-facing camera mounted behind the windshield for lane departure, traffic sign recognition, and in many systems, the primary input for the automatic emergency braking system. It will have rear and side cameras for parking assistance, the surround view system, and blind spot monitoring. In some configurations, there are additional cameras positioned in the door mirrors and under the front bumper. Each of these cameras has a calibration specification. The forward camera, because of its role in safety-critical active systems, must be recalibrated whenever the windshield is replaced. On a vehicle without a forward camera, a windshield replacement is a relatively affordable routine maintenance item. On a vehicle where the windshield hosts the forward-facing camera mount, the replacement cost includes a higher specification glass with the correct camera mount provisions, the camera removal and reinstallation procedure, and the recalibration process with its associated equipment and labor cost. Total windshield replacement costs on current camera-equipped vehicles run 2 to 4 times what the equivalent job costs on an older vehicle without that technology. Since windshield damage is among the most common insurance claims across all vehicle categories, this cost increase has a measurable aggregate effect on insurance loss ratios for affected vehicle types and feeds directly into premium adjustments. Bumper repair, historically one of the most routine and affordable body repair jobs, has been transformed by the sensor hardware now integrated into bumper assemblies. A rear bumper cover replacement on a vehicle equipped with ultrasonic parking sensors distributed around the perimeter, a rear cross-traffic alert radar module, a tow hitch proximity sensor, and potentially a rear camera requires every one of those components to be carefully removed before the cover can be replaced, inspected for physical damage, and reinstalled and tested after the new cover is fitted. Ultrasonic sensors must be tested for correct distance detection. The radar module must be checked for correct mounting position and may require electronic calibration confirmation. In a minor rear parking collision, the bumper cover may show cosmetic damage only, but the total repair invoice reflects the labor time for disassembly, inspection, sensor testing, and calibration verification across all of the integrated hardware. What was previously a routine and inexpensive repair has become a multi-system diagnostic and calibration exercise, and the total cost reflects that transformation. Another factor pushing repair costs higher is the sensitivity of modern sensor alignment. Even when a radar unit or camera appears physically undamaged, a small shift in its mounting position can make the system inaccurate. Because these systems guide braking assistance, lane keeping, and collision warnings, manufacturers require exact calibration after repairs. That process involves specialized scanning tools, calibration boards, and controlled workshop conditions that most general repair garages historically never needed. The technician time required for setup, testing, and verification alone can add hundreds of dollars to a repair that previously required only basic bodywork. Insurance actuaries are not passive observers of these emerging cost patterns. They are actively working through the claim data generated by modern vehicle fleets and continuously updating the risk pricing models for every vehicle make, model, trim level, and option combination in their books of business. When a specific vehicle model generates consistently higher repair cost per claim than comparable vehicles in the same size, age, and value bracket, even when the frequency of claims is similar or slightly lower, the risk model adjusts the premium upward to reflect the insurer's actual financial exposure on that vehicle. The driver's personal risk profile has not changed, the vehicle's claim cost profile has, and the premium reflects the vehicle's profile accurately. Real-world claim examples make this pattern concrete in ways that are hard to dismiss. Drivers are reporting collision repair estimates on vehicles with modest cosmetic damage, door edge impacts, minor rear parking contacts, single panel scrapes that run to $5,000, $6,000, or even $8,000 because multiple sensor systems embedded in or near the damaged panel require replacement and recalibration. In premium luxury vehicles where sensor density is highest, insurance assessors are writing total loss recommendations on vehicles with relatively contained cosmetic damage because the cost of correctly replacing and recalibrating all affected systems exceeds the vehicle's current market value. The vehicle looked repairable. The sensor replacement and calibration cost made it a financial write-off. For drivers making purchasing and insurance decisions right now, several practical approaches can meaningfully affect cost exposure. Comparing insurance quotes explicitly between trim levels on the same model, where a higher trim carries additional sensor systems not present on the base trim, can reveal premium differences that make the total cost of ownership comparison between trims less obvious than the sticker price. Difference suggests choosing independent repair workshops that have invested in the OEM specification calibration equipment required to properly service sensor systems rather than accepting repairs from shops using inadequate or generic calibration tools protects the functional integrity of the safety systems paid for and avoids creating liability exposure from incorrectly calibrated active safety hardware. When evaluating a new vehicle purchase, asking specifically about the typical repair cost for a minor front and rear impact on that platform, not just the MSRP and fuel economy, gives a more complete picture of the real monthly cost of ownership. The safety technology arms race in the automotive industry is not going to reverse. Regulatory mandates for autonomous emergency braking and lane departure warning systems are being implemented across major markets. Every new vehicle generation will carry more sensors, more cameras, more radar modules, and more calibration-dependent active systems than the generation before it. The repair cost baseline will continue rising, and insurance premiums, which exist to cover those real costs honestly and actuarially, will continue to reflect the true risk exposure of modern vehicle repair accurately. Your car became safer. Your premium went up. Those two statements are both true at the same time, and understanding the mechanical and financial logic connecting them is essential information for any driver navigating the modern vehicle ownership landscape that is not going to change on its own, and the sooner every driver understands it clearly, the better prepared they will. Because in the modern automotive market, the real cost of a vehicle is no longer just the purchase price or fuel economy. It is the hidden ecosystem of sensors, software, and repair complexity that determines what happens financially the moment something small goes wrong. And insurers are already pricing that reality in. This also explains why insurance companies increasingly analyze vehicle repair data before setting premiums for new models entering the market. If early claim reports show that a vehicle's sensor systems are easily damaged in low-speed impacts or require extensive recalibration during routine repairs, insurers factor those patterns into long-term risk calculations. Over the life of thousands of vehicles, even small increases in average repair cost per claim can translate into millions of dollars in additional payouts. Premium adjustments simply reflect that long-term financial math. If you enjoy content like this, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one.